Hello, do you know what a triangle looks like? Okay, so I'll give you two options here and you tell me which one is the triangle. Well done, very good. This one is the triangle because this one's a circle. That's not a triangle. Okay, so this is the triangle. Now, but how do we draw it? So a triangle would look like this. If you draw one line going across, which is known as the base, okay, like this, well, that's a horizontal. And then you draw two lines going up together, like this. So you've got to meet at the top, like that, right? And that is a triangle. Now in future videos, we're going to show you different types of triangles, okay? Like isosceles, equilaterals, and all different types of triangles. But just for this video today, we're going to be just telling you what a basic triangle looks like. Okay, so use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the future. Bye!